We actually go out and knock on the door of people in foreclosure. We don't just send them a card or a letter. We actually go out and try to make contact with people. We try to say, hey, we saw that the bank's trying to take your house. We're here to see if we can do anything to help. And that doesn't just mean buy your house. If there's some options we can explain to you that you're unaware of, things you can do, talking with the bank. Are you in communication with your bank? We actually have those conversations. So that helps us, open some dialogue.
If they answer the door.
Right. If they answer the door. And it's really funny. These people are avoiding everybody. They won't answer their telephone. I've actually gone to the door, knocked on the door, saw people get up out of a chair, look, and then just step back out of the way like they didn't
kind of hide behind the wall. Yeah.
Yeah. Stuff like that. Or they just cracked it. Who are you? What do you want? I mean, they've got people hounding them. They're not just not paying their house.
And I'll be honest, I do that sometimes when it just looks like it's a salesperson or something. I'm like, nope. So some people are, will never answer the door, but.
So if they don't answer, we leave this big gaudy green envelope, but I don't have any sitting right here next to me. They're all over there next to the door. I took a picture of them and put it in the Max group last night. So he's going door knocking with me tomorrow, but it's got a couple of things in it. It's got a letter and a sales agreement.
It's bright lime green.
Right. And then we use that as a theme in our contact tool moving forward. Jody designed several postcards that all have a picture of that green envelope stuck in a door. It says, hey, we came by to see you a little while back.
And we sent one of these envelopes and I have like a photo of that on there.
Mm-hmm. And the postcards get progressively more urgent as we move along through the process. The average foreclosure takes around 90 days here. So we try to space those out. So we'll get to them up to the last couple of weeks. And then we go back again with a second green envelope, a smaller one this time.
Same color.
Yeah. And,
we just want them to know that it's, that guy, the guy with the green envelope. I know who that is.
Yeah. So that's what we do.
Mm-hmm.